Hey y'all, welcome to the very first episode of the Creators Corner series. If you are a new or upcoming content creator and you want to take your craft to the next level, you are in the right place. I started my content creation journey when I was just 13 years old, and it took me 3 years to get monetized. So yes, I was monetized at 16, but y'all, I lost all of that in just 4 months. So I completely understand the highs and lows of this content creator journey. I'm doing this because I know how hard it truly feels to try to do something on your own. And y'all, these platforms are changing daily. Okay, the trends, they come and go, and sometimes it's just truly overwhelming. So in this series, I'm going to be breaking down a couple things: creator tips, platform updates, ways to grow, and real life lessons that I have learned myself. All right, so here are some things that you guys can expect. Your weekly episodes, okay? So we're going to release a new Creator Corner episode every single Monday, okay? Like clockwork. Next, I'm going to make sure I give y'all bite-sized information. I don't want to overwhelm y'all. So our videos, our information, our lessons, or our classes are only going to be about 10 minutes max, okay? So that they are always quick, easy, straight to the point. And I'm going to give y'all homework at the end of every one. So make sure you do it. I'm grading y'all. And of course, I'm going to be giving you guys examples on how to repurpose your content, how to share it across multiple platforms. We're going to be talking about how I grew my subscribers with short form in 2025 and other different opportunities that you guys as creators can jump on right now. So if you're ready to grow with me, hit that subscribe button. Okay, down there, hit that subscribe button, and let's build this creator community together, everyone. Yeah. Just make sure that y'all subscribe so you can stay up to date with the journey. And we're going to get things kicked off for episode 2. So go ahead and subscribe, and we'll see y'all next week. The journey begins now.